video we'll show you how to replace your ISA 3300. First, disconnect the power cable. Disconnect your network cable. Notice it is in the port directly above the HDMI cable because there are two network ports. Disconnect your HDMI cable. Take your ISA 3300 to the side. Grab your new one, your advanced exchange. Connect your HDMI cable. Connect your network cable. Connect your power cable. It will beep when it's powered up. The lights will begin to flash on the front. No keyboard or mouse is necessary. It will automatically launch, and you're done.